How much waste does an American produce every year? 1,500 pounds per person, 243 million tons if you put all that together. That's equal to the weight of 2.3 million Boeing 747 jets. A lot of it is recyclable. Things like paper, plastic bottles, aluminum cans, cardboard, tin cans, magazines, and newspapers. But most of it ends up in landfills. About 54% of all waste ends up in a landfill, according to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Another 12% goes into incineration plants and is turned into energy. And the remaining 34% goes through the recycling process. Paper and cardboard accounts for 28% of all waste. To make paper, trees need to be cut down. Lots of trees. Actually, about 4 billion trees per year around the world, and most of the paper is used in the U.S. Paper takes about 2 months to decompose in a landfill, and cardboard can take up to 5 years. When recycled, each ton of paper can save 17 trees, 380 gallons of oil, 3 cubic yards of landfill space, 4,000 kilowatts of energy, and 7,000 gallons of water. Of the more than 22 billion plastic bottles used each year, only 28% are recycled. That means that about 16 billion plastic bottles end up in landfills and oceans. Plastic is made mostly from oil and natural gas, and it's such a durable material that it will never biodegrade. It can remain buried in landfills or floating in the oceans for thousands of years. Plastic that ends up in the oceans kills over 1 million animals every year. Recycling 1 ton of plastic saves 7.4 cubic yards of landfill space and keeps it off the water systems. Aluminum cans can be recycled over and over without losing quality or wasting raw material. An aluminum can that is recycled can be back on the grocery shelf as a new can in as little as 60 days. Recycling 1 ton of aluminum cans saves enough energy to run your television for 300 days. So how do we benefit from recycling? Well, for one, it creates jobs. Recycling creates 6 to 10 times more jobs than incineration and landfills do. It also helps the environment by reducing the amount of resources we take from it.